Let's see how to add multiple accounts on Instagram. Go ahead and launch the Instagram app and go to your profile. From your profile, tap on this menu. In settings and activities, scroll down all the way to the bottom. And here, tap on add account. And here, you can create a new account to add, or you can just add your existing account by tapping here. Now, you can select an account from here to log in, or you can tap on use another profile. Now, all you have to need, go ahead and log in the exact Instagram account in which account you want to add. So that's how you will be able to add multiple Instagram accounts. And now let's see how to switch between Instagram accounts. Just long press on your Instagram profile, photo, and here you get all of your added Instagram accounts. By tapping on the account, you can easily go ahead and switch accounts very easily. Thanks for watching.